And the race is on at Gossip. From the outside is Mountain Cat. Cuts away down on the inside is Fast Forward. Bonjour, singing victory. Object of Desire, Super Elegant. Ang sabi ko, Mountain Cat by some 3 lengths, followed by Cuts away in second. At Gossip is racing on the outside. Fast Forward in the middle. Rounding the far turn, Mountain Cat still leading by some 2 lengths. At Gossip is now running in second. Cuts away, Fast Forward, and a long way back to Bonjour, Super Elegant, singing victory. Mountain Cat, Hot Gossips racing on the outside to grab the lead as they race the last 250. It's now Hot Gossip, this time by some 3 lengths, followed by Mountain Cat. Fast Forward from the outside, cuts away Bonjour, Super Elegant, singing victory. And nearing the finish line, better go down and collect for Hot Gossip. Fast Forward, Mountain Cat, Super Elegant, and cuts away for your Pentafecta.